Isn't it a fantastic day to be alive? Because you're about to learn how to play samba on drums, even if you've never done it before. I know! Now the main thing we're going to learn is the samba hand pattern. Now at the end, it should sound like this. Now why should you learn this? Not only because then you'll be prepared anytime you're walking down the street with a snare drum during the carnival in Rio, but because it's just useful for coordination in general, and also feels awesome. Now to save me from having to count this and explain counting to you, you're just going to play along with me, okay? So what we're going to do is play right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? 2, 3, 4. Now, the pattern of accents goes like this. Right, left, right, right, right. And again, right, left, right, right, right. So on your lap it'll sound like this. Right, left, right, right, right. It might take a little while, but just stick with it. It's worth it. So now we're going to make things a bit more spicy and add the feet. So first things first, we're going to add on the pulse. You're going to feel it naturally, hopefully. We're going to put a bass drum. So it's going to sync up with the first right hand of every 4 you play. Don't worry, I know this is a confusing way to explain it. It will make sense. So right, left, 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 right. Might make a bit more sense up to speed. And if you're a bit more advanced, you can also add in the left foot, because you're just going to be doing that on the offbeat. Hopefully that makes sense, but even if you don't get the feet down, try the hands out because it's just useful and fun to play in general.